Officiating this week imekuwa an issue because of the issue with Nakuru being denied a try, an obvious try. Nilikuwa na watch hii game and I was so shocked that huyu ref alikata kuwapatia hiyo try, and I saw Felix Okoth, the captain, akitry kumuuliza why, mbona umekataa, and the referees didn't seem to have answers. He was just like adamant akisema no, hii ni scrum, that's not a try. Na ukiangalia video, referee hakuwa amepay attention to the breakdown. So when the guy picked the ball and ran and scored the try, referee just out of the fact that hajui kitu imeendelea akaamua kwa deny hiyo try, and that is a mistake on the referee. And I think the referees wanafaa wakubali makosa yao na waende pale kwa social media and make a statement saying we are taking accountability for the mistake that was made. And in fact wanafaa kuwa wakiconsider kuwapatia points zao, cause Nakuru is working very hard, especially walikuwa wanacheza na Kabras. Hizo points zingewasaidia sana, zingewaimpruvia momentum, morale. Now nyinyi mliwanyang'anya hiyo try, kill their momentum. Now they are stressed because they are working so hard. Now get their reward for working hard. In fact, I feel that unafaa kuwaachilia. You would rather give them a try hata kama hauko sure if it's legit than kuwanyang'anya. Naonanga kwa makesi in court wanasemanga it's better to release a guilty person kuliko kuimprison an innocent person, and referees they need to be more lenient to allow for creativity so that game ikwe more dynamic. Kama you are not sure, take your time. Tunajua hatuna TMO, hawezi enda kuconfirm kwa video assistant, uliza linesman, he will assist you kama aliona. If you are not sure, let the try go, other than kuwa deny an obvious try yenye uko sure about.
There are some wrongs you can do and will say man is to error. But is this one of the wrongs? Saidi, are you being honest? Are you being an honest citizen of the republic? No.